Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to hide snoozed menu in Gmail. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To hide this snoozed menu in Gmail, go to your Gmail account and click on gear icon called settings. Now click on see all settings. Under settings, click on labels tab. Here you will find snoozed and by default show is selected. Now to hide snoozed, click on hide here. Look, the snooze label hidden from label list, and now snoozed is not appearing here. If you click on show, snoozed will be appearing again in menu list. Click on show. Look, now snoozed is appeared in menu list. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.